time?
Ding, ding, diddly-o, ding, ding, diddly-o. Ding, 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 diddly-o, ding, ding, diddly-o.
I'm just gonna
I'm just going to open up an iPhoto, maybe.
I don't know.
We should ask a professional. Maybe I should go to school. It's really racking my brain.
So
It's coming out my nose. Can you suck your lip up and hold it with your nose?
no, I may not. I mean,
Have you ever tried to? Oh. I almost got it. I used to be able to do it in school.
What? How did you learn this talent?
You were one of my best friends in school, so don't act
I
like
don't know.
far off when I was doing that. Alright, hold on.